one of our biggest challenges, I would say, was getting billing out quickly. And one of our biggest complaints at the time would just be, hey, we loved everything you did, everything you're doing, but man, your billing is like, 2, 3, 4 weeks out. Simpro's really helped us a lot with that because typically we're billing within 5 days now. And that's only because we're making sure that our vendor material costs are coming into us. And through that, it's really helped us speed up the billing process. Amanda really crushes it with that too, with our customers. So yeah, Simpro's helped immensely with that problem.